one. So we are saying machine guarding, electrical insulation, earthing bonding, HSE in this one. And you have got main circuit MCB and ELCB, probably ELCB during construction. So that is the standard for construction risk. For weather, so this will be weather friendly and compliant to the worst case scenario. Construction related, I have put in the EPC phase, wind also for EPC phase, fog also for EPC phase, heavy rain for also EPC phase. This I have put for EPC phase here, only for EPC phase. EPC phase. This is standard for heavy rain. This is standard for sandstorm. This is standard for fog because we are going to transport the people. And we have got the same thing. This is standard recommendations and standard control measures. Heat stress is the standard for EPC phase because you are going to have that NOC weather control procedure. And we have got campaign, work restriction, local law, intermediate breaks, work during lean hours, TWL monitoring, and weather alerts are there as per that NOC system. So I'm keeping it because this will be reviewed in the construction phase. No lightning because no elevation is there. So we are keeping the same, no concern. For hot surface, now I want to understand the hot surface. You have hot surface here. What is the temperature of this pipeline?
MJ?
The temperature.
Yeah, the design temperature, design is 150.
150.
Temperature,
yes.
temperature.